As we know, as a housekeeping staff, our responsibility is to make the entire hotel look neat, clean, and beautiful. So there are certain types of cleaning equipment and cleaning agent what we need to use. So what is cleaning agent? Cleaning agent are certain substance which helps in cleaning process by doing chemical reaction or by physical action. So the first type of cleaning agent what we use is water. Water is known as universal solvent. It is easily available, but water is not effective cleaning agent. Water is not effective in cleaning germs, and also it is not effective for removing stains and dirt. So water is only good for rinsing process. So as a 5-star hotel, we are not totally or completely dependent on water for getting good result. We need certain kind of chemicals also. Next cleaning agent is detergent. So in detergent we have soapy detergent and synthetic detergent both. Soapy detergent basically means soap, what we are using in our day-to-day life. Soap we use for washing utensils, soap we use for washing clothes, even for bathing purpose also. And the synthetic detergents are the detergents which are available in powder form, which we basically use while washing clothes. So as compared to the soap, synthetic detergents are more effective and strong. Their composition is more stronger. Now the next is acid. We use acid also, we use alkaline also for cleaning purpose. So when we are saying acid, the pH scale of acid is from 0 to 7. 7 is the neutral pH scale. Water has a pH scale of 7. That's why 7 water is neither acidic or alkaline in nature. And if you are talking about alkaline agent, their pH scale is from 7 to 14. So both kind of cleaning agent are used for cleaning purpose. Acids are used for removing old vegetable stains. Stains occurs due to fruit, vegetables. Alkalines are used to remove synthetic stains like stain caused by paint, even what we can say stain caused by grease, nail polish, all synthetic kind of stains. Stain caused by synthetic product is removed by alkaline. So both are very useful. Then we can talk about abrasive. In abrasive, cleaning is done by scratching action. So certain kind of powders which are used for cleaning purpose, especially when we are cleaning the copper, we use some kind of powders to scrub that copper utensils. So that is abrasive. Even powder used for shining silver ornaments, gold ornaments, all comes under abrasive. Even sandpaper, what we use to remove the old paint from furniture, that also comes under abrasive. Now the next one is organic solvent. Organic solvent are basically used when we are doing dry cleaning. In dry cleaning we don't use water, we use organic solvent. So the examples of organic solvent are perfluoroethylene, benzene, acetone, turpentine. These are the examples of few organic solvent. So organic solvents are good. They doesn't affect the material, especially in laundry process we use organic solvent for dry cleaning the cloth, and it gives a good result. There are no any kind of side effect could be seen on the cloth after washing the clothes in an organic solvent. Then we have a polishers furniture polish what we apply on a wooden surface. Polisher also gives us shine, as well as it creates a thin layer above the wooden surface, so that layer also protect from getting the surface dirty. So shine also is available, as well as protection also happens with the help of polishers. Then we have another one, disinfectant. Dettol, Savlon, all these are disinfectant, especially we use in a bathroom areas to kill the germs. In hotel, we can apply disinfectant on a telephone, on a buttons, lift buttons, even on a door handles. So all these areas need to be disinfected. Then another one, we have a air fresheners. So air fresheners are basically known as deodorants. So in hotel we use air freshener to mask the bad smell. So wherever we have a bad odor, bad smell, so for covering that bad odor, we need to take a help of a deodorant. Especially air freshener, we spray inside the guest room. If the guest has smoked for a long hours, there's a lots of smell inside a room. So to cover that bad smell, we can spray a air freshener.